Okay, good morning and welcome to Ball Business Management. Today we are going to be getting into a new unit, and this new unit is going to be about technological change and challenging economic times. So we're going to be starting out with a guiding question for this whole unit, which is how can we leverage new technologies to survive in economically challenging times? And this picture is going to be relating to our project that we'll be doing this unit. So our unit objectives are going to be learning about how the railroad and tourism industries adapted to the Great Depression by using new technologies to stimulate demand. And the skills we are going to be learning in this unit are a break-even analysis, making a capital budget, and refining your product offerings, which will relate back to the course's longer-term project of writing a business plan. So the unit project that we will be working on, it will be a case study into what passenger trains did during the Great Depression, how they used technology to try to stimulate more travel, which will involve making a capital budget, doing a break-even analysis, and basically launching a new service like this. And before we get into that, we need to get into this week's, or at least this class's breakout session, which will form your KWL for the units, which is what you know now, what you want to learn through the course of the unit, and what you have learned. So we're starting out with the K, which is the questions and what you guys know, and using this as a guiding question, which is thinking of common technologies now that were not widespread or even available at all in the 1930s. How have these technologies affected your life, and how would your life be different without them? So this is going to be framing the what you know about this time period, what you know about technology, how this technology has changed, and shortly we'll be going into the breakout rooms where you will be writing things down, talking with your peers, and then eventually we'll come back for a big groups session. And through the course of the unit, please write down what you want to learn, the questions you have, and hopefully we'll answer them as we go through the unit. And at the end, we will be doing a journal entry that will be what you have learned through this unit and how it is applicable, which will be done after the group presentations on the projects that we will be doing. So we are going to be breaking out now to finish the K part of the KWL. And